Now this is an A90 Supra, Toyota and BMW's little scandalous love child. Toyota had their 2021 product showroom today, and when they were talking about GR, they said that they're gonna make another Supra, the A91. Now what is the A91? Essentially it's an A90 Supra, but limited edition and lots of carbon fiber. Now, what makes this A91 Supra different from the current generation A90 Supra? Now, a couple of things. Mike Tripp, the VP of Marketing, the presenter that was talking about this car, had this to say. He said that it's going to have forged wheels, Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires, lots of carbon fiber. So it's going to have a full carbon fiber body aero kit. They're saying it has better aerodynamics. And the best part, there's only going to be 600 of them made. This is going to be a limited edition A91. Now that carbon fiber body kit looked very nice in the live stream, and I'm excited to see it in person because it's going to get black wheels, carbon fiber body kit on an already very nice car. Now they also said it's going to have 382 horsepower and come in 3 colors. The 3 colors are going to be Absolute Zero, white, Nitro Yellow, and Phantom Gray. I mean, you can guess that one. Now, Mike Tripp said that pricing is not available, but the car will come out later this year and we should get pricing available soon. Now, because Mike Tripp said that it's going to be a limited run car, there's only gonna be 600 of them made. I'm curious how limited. Are they gonna stamp every single car to say like 1 of 600, 5 of 600, etc.? Or is it just going to be a limited run car? I'm going to stay up to date on this A91 Supra and I'll keep you guys updated when more information drops. That's going to be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Smash that subscribe button.